be making a video about these noises that are pretty cool. Anyway, so wait, what the fuck did I just say?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Psych. Alright, so I'm back. And I just want to let you guys know that...
Surprise, motherfucker.
Yeah, just kidding. So, you wanna know something really cool? That I have, my soccer ball right here. And, well, I'm putting it over my... Oh! Oh, really? Oh, why? Wait, Mom, my mom just cussed at me. Really?
What you say? That you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is.
Ha! Back. So, it's just funny that these things are really cool. I mean, like, I play Pokemon Go. That one was funny right there, so let's go on this one, page 3. Oh, fuck it. What the fuck did they want me to do?
What you say? That you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best.
Okay, fuck it. Shut the fuck up. Alright, so we're going on page 3. No. Alright, so can't put my charger. Can't even put my charger here.
He needs some milk.
Boy!
Really, nigga?
Alright, so
Really, nigga? Oh, good for you. And how was it? Are you sure about that? Fucking right in the pussy.
what the fuck?
Fucking right in the pussy.
Fuck her right in the
Fucking right in the pussy.
fuck her right in that pussy. This is funny. Alright, guys. I'm back. So this one says clown. Wait, it better not have a laugh. What the fuck? This thing's stupid. It's like you touching someone's butt cheek and they just make like a horn noise. Like this, guys. Ready? Ready? Oh, I touch my butt cheek. Guys, ready? Alright, guys. That was just nasty. I hope you guys.
That's pretty good.
Alright, I'll be showing you the rest in a minute. Hold on, what's this one say? I'm not gay. You were gay. Yeah, guys, that was good. Hold on. Hello, darkness.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping.
Alright, guys, so I'm here and I'm with my sister now. She's cool. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi. You can see her waving. Yeah, guys, so this is my room. If I get 5 likes on this, 50 views. Yeah, that would be awesome, guys. I'll give you guys a challenge. Mini challenge. Annie's coming. Or invisible rope challenge. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, watch, and leave in the description below what you want me to do next. Bye. Peace. Bye, guys.